Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE2. And firstly, you need to check is your Bluetooth is turned on. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and right here if you have Apple device, enable it here. If you have Android, open control panel and enable it here if it's not available in the connected devices. After that, tap on your earbuds at the device list. And we have connection. Now, if it didn't help you, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, place both of your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone, and we have this information at the device list. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. And after that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. And we should have this information here again. We have it. If it also didn't help you, we need to remove and add these earbuds. So, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now place your earbuds to the charging case, and then you need to press and hold both of these touch areas on your earbuds. We have touch areas at the back side, right here at the top. And you press and hold it until this LED light flashed white. Here we go. Now we just enter prank mode and tap on it at the device list. And again we have connection. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, again place your earbuds to the charging case and we need to press and hold touch areas for at least 10 seconds until this LED light flashed red. And now let's hold it. Firstly, it entered to panic mode, so it starts blinking white. It's okay, don't worry. We keep holding it. And we have it. Now you can release your finger. And firstly, we need to remove it, so information icon or settings icon. Forget and forget. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And after a factory reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we see it at the device list. We don't need to enter pairing mode manually, just tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.